Hey everyone, so these are the step-up stools. They do come with pads if you want. Some people will use the padding, some people won't, but these are the stools. I mean, they can handle a lot of weight. A lot. I mean, 210 pounds, this is nothing for this. And they bolt together. If you want to have them, side by side, you can. If you don't want them side by side, just don't bolt them up, and then you can use them as individual steps. And they just break the bridge between the gap that you might have on steps. But they're actually very nice. They're made out of wood. They have padding already pre-installed on the bottom, which is nice. And again, as I showed you, they give you this padding as well. And this padding is pretty simple. You just peel off this white film like this. And then you line this up, and you can line it up by the holes. And you just push it down to stick it. And there you have your padded step. So overall, they're just very nice, and I'll show you guys up close, so do not worry. And you can use them for all kinds of things. I mean, you can even use them as a sitting stool if you really wanted to. So up close, this is what they look like. So if you have any air bubbles like this, what you do is you push it out before you fully push it down. You just kind of push them out, as you can hear. But they're very nice. Overall, I think you guys are going to be happy with them.